I've been fostering with my wife Hilary for the last 14 years. It's something that we've really enjoyed. We've had new experiences with it. From the first day that we entered fostering we always respected the fact that the child has, the background of the family, and we were always very keen to work where we could with families and try to involve the family as much as possible. But we support the family in ongoing short breaks, times where there's intervention needed, where the family needs more than a short break, and it works really well. So basically we step up when we're needed and we step down when we're not needed. The more foster carers we can get from the different areas, the more opportunities we have to keep children within them local authorities and close to their families. So even now in our retirement years, we find ourselves that we're getting so much enjoyment out of fostering, and we get so much support from the local authority. We think it's first class. Whenever we have any issues, we're not afraid to pick up the phone and speak to somebody, and the help is always there for us.